So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again with another boring update about Mikhailo Mudryk, the Ukrainian Neymar. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. It's getting a bit boring now, isn't it? I can't lie. We're 11 days into the transfer window. Still haven't signed the lad. Could have got him for half the price in the summer. Now, there's updates. Ben Jacobs has tweeted. Apparently, Ben Jacobs has direct links to the Mudryk family. Okay, mate. Anyway, is he reliable? I don't really know, if I'm honest. I don't think any of them are really reliable. I think they just get fed useful information here and there. That's about it. But make sure you do smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Big up to everyone. We are over 75k, well over 75k as well. Now it's road to 100k. Come on, people, let's get it done. And make sure you sub to the second channel. I will leave a link. Well, the link is in there anyway. So go and hit Lee Reacts. I'll be doing a watch along in about an hour or so for the Manchester City game away to Southampton. Sorry. So make sure you come and join me for that. Big up to everyone yesterday who watched the Newcastle-Leicester game with me. And looking forward to watching City tonight, if I'm honest. But there is an update about Mudryk. Oh, dear. Is anyone else bored? Like, real talk, are they bored of this story now? It's getting a little bit boring, isn't it? I can't lie. But apparently, the update, I'm trying to find the exact words for it because it's hilarious. It is actually hilarious. Where are we? Let's have a look. There we go. That's it. Is that it? Right, okay. So all these tweets are doing the rounds right now. According to reports from Ben Jacobs, who has direct contacts with Mikhailo Mudryk, Arsenal and Shakhtar Donetsk may be nearing a full agreement for the transfer of Mudryk, with a guaranteed fee estimated between 50 million euros and 60 million euros. That's obviously without add-ons, without wages. So they're going to get pretty much what they want there or thereabouts. I see another report as well, if I can find it. I'm going to find it, saying that Arsenal and Shakhtar Donetsk. Here we go. This is another one. Arsenal and Shakhtar on Mudryk. From the meetings, this is Ben Jacobs again. From the meetings and talks that have taken place on Monday and Tuesday between the two clubs, there is still no done deal, verbal or formal. But everything continues to move in the right direction. How can it continue to move? And this is what I find hilarious. How can it continue to move in the right direction if there is no deal in place? Hello, have you changed your minds yet? No. Okay, bye. Hello, have you changed your mind yet? No. Okay, bye. Okay, we'll bid 1 million more. No, goodbye. We'll bid 1,000,001. No, goodbye. Like, if you want the player that badly, pay the money. Just pay it. Apparently, he's the greatest player ever to have kicked a football in the world, ever. Like, literally, with his total of 9 goals in his whole career, he is now dubbed the Ukrainian Neymar, who, by the way, at the age of 21, this kid's 22, the age of 21 had 140 goals. And at 19, the real Neymar was top 10 of the Ballon d'Or. This boy's got big shoes to fill when he gets here, because I'm holding him to Ukrainian Neymar standards. And if people have got a problem with that, maybe stop hyping him up. You've hyped him all up. I'm going to hold him to that standard. So yes, if that's negative and toxic, I suggest you don't watch further videos, because I ain't stopping anytime soon. I will be back again every day. Anyway, there's a lot more reports doing the rounds. Mudryk is on the verge of joining Arsenal. Personal terms already agreed on a 2 million a year euros salary. Talks are said to be in the final stages, with the fee set to be around 80 million. So that contradicts what the other one said. Loads of little weird kids online sharing pictures of him and his agent talking. Loads more kids sharing video footage of him in the gym. Then there's another weirdo that's took a picture of it, took like a screenshot of the legs, and he's got a heart tattoo on his legs, and the heart on the board and the brain. Like, these kids are tapped, I swear down. They are tapped. But apparently we are smoothing out the differences. This is what's been put out there. Smoothing out the differences. What does that mean? The way they word stuff, like it may be nearing an end. We're smoothing out the differences. Tomorrow it'll be, this deal could be done by the end of the week. It can get done if, yeah. These people ain't got a clue what they're talking about. Nobody has a single clue about this deal. Not one person that's writing about it. Not one person that's speaking about it. I don't care whether you know the guy. I don't care whether you're friends with the guy. Nobody knows. The only people that know are the owners or directors of Shakhtar, the player and his agent, and Arsenal. Nobody else. Nobody else knows. So let's stop pretending here that these people actually have a clue what they're talking about. They don't. And I find it hilarious that people just live on their every word just because they've got a blue tick and they get a gig on a TV channel or something. I don't know. I want to read this tweet out as well. This is at the bottom of a compilation of which he scored 1 goal in this 2-minute 40-second compilation. It's pictures of him eating crisps with his tracksuit on in the tunnel. These kids are weird, I swear. Like literally, they're literally fantasizing over this 22-year-old lad because he's got a 1990s curtains haircut and a couple of tattoos. Mad, isn't it? Actually mad, and he can run fast. Crazy. But anyway, at the bottom of this, there was a tweet saying, I really don't see why he is worth more than 35 million, but I hope he proves me wrong. He needs to have an instant impact in this team with that price tag. I completely agree with whoever tweeted that. Arsenal starting 11 tweeted that. Big up. The reply to that was somebody called Reckless Child, Zelda5_I am, who says, watch his comps. He would have had so many assists and goal involvements. Well, you're definitely a teenager. If his team were good. He makes good runs and finds the final pass, but his teammates look clueless. Imagine him assisting Saka, Martinelli, Odegaard, Jesus, and Nketiah. Crazy numbers. He'll be our De Bruyne. Okay, well, let me just take that apart, mate. Let me just take that apart. So his teammates look clueless, but this is the best team in that league. Did you ever just think a little bit here, mate, before you wrote that? His teammates look clueless, but that's the best team in the league. So maybe, just maybe, hello, anybody home? Well, we know you're vacant upstairs. Half of this fan base are dead from the neck up. Maybe, just maybe, that league's crap. Just maybe. Maybe that's why he looks so good, because maybe he's a little bit better than that league. Just putting it out there. Furthermore, when he goes on to say, imagine him assisting against Saka, Martinelli, Odegaard, Jesus, and Nketiah. Crazy numbers. He'll be our De Bruyne. Okay, mate, what you're failing to figure out here, when you even pull it in the sentence before that, he makes good runs and finds the final pass, but his teammates are clueless. Imagine him assisting Saka, Martinelli, Odegaard, Jesus, and Nketiah. Crazy numbers. He'll be our De Bruyne. Well, you've just kind of answered your own question, mate. Imagine. Did you have the tissue out when you were imagining this, mate? I don't know. But I will tell you something. If that league is clueless and his teammates are clueless, that means the rest of the teams in that league are even more clueless because they're the best team. So he looks good because they're not good. So now you put him into this league where the defending, the midfield, the strikers are all a lot million stratospheres better than that league. Maybe he just ain't all that, mate. Yeah, because I'll tell you something, we've seen a lot of players come to this. And listen, I hope I'm wrong. I genuinely do. But I'm sick and tired of the hype around this kid. Nobody watches the league. Nobody watches that league at all. Even the Ukrainians do not watch Ukrainian league football. Let's just have it right here. They all watch the Premier League, La Liga, and the French league. Let's just stop playing games. And the Italian league. They will not be sitting there going, oh, I know. Unless they support the team, right? And even then, I find it debatable that they'll be sitting there watching it if there's a game of Arsenal on or a game of PSG on and Shakhtar on at the same time. I'd imagine they're probably going to watch one of the other games. Maybe I'm wrong. I doubt it. But anyway, what I do find funny here is the way that people have gassed this guy up when they don't watch that league. It's going to, the spin, if it all goes wrong, is going to be peak. And I'm here for all of it. And on that bombshell, I'm out of here, people. As soon as you get to the end of this video, Make sure you smash a like on it first and foremost. Share the content around. Leave your donations down below. I am literally going live with Goonie right now. Man Knows Football. Go and check it out. We're going to have a little chinwag on there. And then I'll be on the second channel, Lee Reacts, link in description, for the watch along for Manchester City away to Southampton. Adios, amigos. Top Gooners out.